How beautiful are these stamp sets from Couture Creations? I'm playing with the Vintage Blooms Sunflower collection here, and I'm going to show you a very quick and easy way how to create with these beautiful stamps from Couture Creations, and in conjunction with Kit and Clouder. You can visit Kit and Clouder colouring classes, and I'll have the link below in the description of this video, where you can find out how to colour exactly like she colours the beautiful images. I've created two cards, very simple, very elegant, with a touch of foiling from a previous foiling stamp, hot foil stamp from a previous collection. It has been discontinued, but maybe you can buy it online from one of the stores who may have it. I'll have the code name of that foiling hot plate in the description below. So there are 5 stamps in this collection. I'm playing today with the Sunflower one, and in conjunction with the twin tip alcohol ink markers, you can visit Kit and Clouder for seeing how she coloured in all these beautiful images. There are also some little stamps included in this stamp set, and I'm just going to show you how quick and easy it is to use the products with Couture Creations to get that image stamped perfectly onto your cardstock. Now I'm using blending card on my base, and I'm adding the image of the sunflower onto my precision stamp press and dabbing in the outline, stamp and outline black ink pad, which is used for when you're colouring in with alcohol ink markers. The Stamp Precision Set stamp press is fabulous for creating some beautiful images, and here you can get 2 images stamped and 1 piece of paper by turning it around and beautifully positioning it down, and you get a beautiful image every time. If it hasn't been stamped, it doesn't move, so you can actually add more ink and reapply to your image. So that's how quick and easy it is to stamp with these stamps, and you get a perfect image every time. So these are my 2 images that you can cut and do layering or colouring in now. So I'm using the Couture Creations twin tip alcohol ink markers. You can use the stamp guide to colour, to use that as a colour reference, but I'm just going to go ahead and colour them the way I feel fit. There's no right or wrong. So I'm using the twin tip alcohol ink markers. There's 108 in the box. It's a wonderful collection of alcohol ink markers, and the best thing is twin tip. One is a bullet point and the other one is a brush tip, which is fabulous. So I just added some sentiment ephemera on the bottom, and that is from the Homely Florals collection. I have the code down below in the description, and also use some gold foil and some copper foil to create the border around my stamped image with that Create and Cut hot foil stamp. It has been discontinued, but I'll give you the link, or not the link but the code. Maybe you can hunt one down from somewhere. So that's my 2 cards, quick and easy with a touch of foiling, the beautiful images from the Vintage Bloom Stamp and Colour sets. They're a wonderful collection. There are 5 in total of different images. This one here is the sunflowers. Thanks for watching me, and if you like this video, please give it a big like. It's just a very quick video just showing you how you can use the stamp set with your Stamp Precision stamp press and also with foiling. Be sure to watch or visit couturecreations.com.au for more inspiration. Thanks for watching me, and bye for now.